To start, we're going to use a run command called diskpart. You might get an access control message pop up from Windows, just click yes. And then first, we're going to list all the drives, so list disk. Then we're going to choose the one we want. So here we want disk 1. So we'll say select disk 1. And then we're going to clean it. And then we're going to create a primary partition on it. You can do more than just the primary one, but for the sake of this, we'll just use a primary. And then we'll exit, and now we need to format the drive. You can just right click on the USB and click format. It should just prompt you automatically on Windows. However, if not, just right click it, go to properties and navigate to this menu here. And we'll just start the reformatting process. And if we go to properties, we can see it is back down to the full amount. And it's as easy as that. And then we'll safely eject the drive and we're good to go.